if I told you that some of the world's healthiest, longest living people don't use anti-aging creams, supplements, or gym memberships? They don't count calories. They don't follow trendy diets. And they don't fear getting older. Yet many indigenous tribes around the world live well into their 80s, 90s, and even beyond. With strong bodies, sharp minds, flexible joints, and calm hearts. No modern medicine, no expensive treatments, just natural daily habits passed down for thousands of years. Today, we are uncovering the anti-aging secrets of indigenous tribes. Secrets that modern science is only now beginning to understand. If you're over 40, 50, 60, or even 70, stay with us. These simple habits can help slow aging naturally, improve energy, protect your heart, brain, and joints, and help you feel younger from the inside out. Section 1. They move all day but never exercise. One of the biggest anti-aging secrets of indigenous tribes is constant natural movement. They don't work out. They live actively. Indigenous elders walk daily. They squat instead of sitting in chairs. They carry water, gather food, stretch, climb, bend, and rest, all throughout the day. This type of movement is called low-intensity, frequent movement, and it's one of the most powerful ways to slow aging. Modern research shows that long hours of sitting accelerate muscle loss, joint stiffness, heart disease, cognitive decline. Indigenous people rarely sit for long periods. Even elders in their 70s and 80s remain mobile. Anti-aging lesson for you. Walk after meals. Sit on the floor occasionally. Stretch your hips, ankles, and spine. Stand up every 30 minutes. Movement keeps the body young, not extreme exercise. Section 2. Their diet is simple, whole, and seasonal, 4 to 8. Indigenous tribes don't eat processed foods. No packaged snacks, no refined sugar, no artificial oils. Their diet is simple and natural. Depending on the tribe, they eat wild vegetables and roots, fresh fruits, nuts and seeds, fish or wild game, fermented foods. What's powerful is not just what they eat, but what they avoid. They avoid foods that cause chronic inflammation, blood sugar spikes, insulin resistance, gut damage. Inflammation is one of the main causes of aging. Modern science now confirms that chronic inflammation speeds up wrinkles, joint pain, memory loss, heart disease. Anti-aging lesson for you. Eat foods with one ingredient. Choose whole foods over packaged foods. Reduce sugar and refined carbs. Eat slowly and stop before you're full. Section 3. They eat less and fast naturally. Indigenous tribes rarely eat 3 heavy meals a day. They eat when food is available. They stop when satisfied, not stuffed. They naturally experience periods of fasting. This practice activates a powerful anti-aging process called autophagy, the body's ability to clean out damaged cells and regenerate new ones. Autophagy is linked to longer lifespan, cancer prevention, brain protection, youthful skin. Modern people eat too often. Snacks every few hours, late-night meals. This keeps insulin high and prevents cellular repair. Anti-aging lesson for you. Avoid late-night eating. Try a 12 to 14-hour overnight fast. Eat until 80% full. Let your body rest between meals. Sometimes less food means more life. Section 4. Strong social bonds. Slow aging. Loneliness is one of the fastest ways to age. Indigenous tribes live in tight-knit communities. Elders are respected, valued, and included. They eat together, work together, tell stories, laugh often, care for each other. Studies show that people with strong social connections live longer, have lower stress hormones, have stronger immune systems, experience less depression. Loneliness increases the risk of dementia, heart disease, early death. Anti-aging lesson for you. Spend time with family. Call friends regularly. Join a community or group. Share meals when possible. Connection is medicine. Section 5. They manage stress naturally. Chronic stress ages the body faster than almost anything else. Indigenous tribes experience stress, but they don't live in stress. They follow natural rhythms. Wake with the sun. Rest when tired. Spend time in nature. Practice rituals, prayer, or meditation. Stress hormones like cortisol break down muscles, damage memory, and increase belly fat. Indigenous lifestyles keep cortisol low. Anti-aging lesson for you. Get morning sunlight. Breathe deeply for 5 minutes daily. Reduce constant news and phone use. Spend time outdoors. Calmness protects youth. Section 6. They sleep in sync with nature. Sleep is the body's repair system. Indigenous tribes sleep soon after sunset, wake naturally with daylight, sleep in complete darkness, nap when needed. Modern life destroys sleep with screens, artificial light, late meals, stress. Poor sleep accelerates aging by damaging brain cells, hormones, skin repair. Anti-aging lesson for you. Sleep before 11 p.m. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Keep your bedroom dark and cool. Follow a consistent sleep routine. Better sleep, younger body. Section 7. They live with purpose. Indigenous elders don't retire from life. They teach, they guide, they protect traditions. They have meaning. Purpose gives life direction. Studies show people with a strong sense of purpose live longer, recover faster from illness, have better mental health. Aging accelerates when people feel useless or disconnected. Anti-aging lesson for you. Teach what you know, help others, stay curious, find meaning beyond age. Purpose keeps the soul young. Conclusion. Aging is not at ease. Indigenous tribes show us a powerful truth. Aging is not something to fight. It's something to support naturally. You don't need expensive treatments. You don't need extreme diets. You don't need fear. You need movement, real food, rest, connection, purpose. Adopt even one habit from these ancient cultures, and your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to age naturally and gracefully. Remember, you are not getting old. You are getting wiser.